Nathalia from class 2C, KV2A First Tamil. Today I am going to read news headlines from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The Indian Army is using drones to supply the booster dose of the COVID-19 vaccine to forward troops in snowbound areas in Jammu and Kashmir. The vaccine packages are well padded for protection in case of dropping from an increased height due to line of sight issues from the drones. The drones are being used to deliver medical supplies to remote locations are part of Mission Sanjeevani. The Jammu and Kashmir Board of School Education has declared the Jammu Division Class 10 exam result for Winter Zone on its official website. Girl students outshine boys by scoring a higher pass percentage of 72.70 in the board exam. A local court on Saturday sentenced a former special police officer to life imprisonment for killing his wife and brother-in-law. The incident took place on 10th May 2011 in Ramban district of Jammu and Kashmir. The former police officer Abdul Gafoor has shot dead his wife Rehmata Begum and brother-in-law Farooq Ahmad Malik using his AK-47 service rifle. A 12-year girl was seriously injured in a landmine explosion near the line of control in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday. She was seriously injured in the explosion and was immediately evacuated to the nearby military hospital. The J&K government ordered the commencement of offline teaching for all classes after February 28 in winter zone schools. The offline classes for junior grades in the summer zone schools have commenced from today, while offline classes from 9th to 12th started in summer zone schools have already reopened from 14th February. Jammu and Kashmir on Sunday recorded 151 fresh coronavirus cases, taking its infection tally to 452,306. I know that due to the disease was reported in a span of 24 hours. Out of the fresh cases, 90 were from the Jammu division and 61 were from the Kashmir division. An earthquake measuring 3.5 on the Richter scale hit the Katra area in Risi district in the Union Territory of J&K on Thursday morning, but no casualties or damage to property were reported in the earthquake. Home Minister Amit Shah said he favored students wearing uniforms in school rather than any religious attire. But he said that it is his personal belief and he would accept any court verdict on the matter. The ban imposed by Karnataka on 5th February has sparked protesting in many parts of the country, including Jammu and Kashmir. Weather report. Jammu region today reported a sunny weather with plenty of sunshine, and in Ladakh region the weather was cloudy in the daytime. Moderate to heavy rain and snow is expected to lash in the northern hilly areas of Jammu and Kashmir between 22nd and 24th February. Jammu recorded a maximum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 14 degrees Celsius, while Ladakh reported a maximum temperature of -1 degree Celsius and a minimum temperature of -18 degrees Celsius. Thank you.